everybody, welcome to my channel. So as you guys see here, I got myself a Cricut Maker. Now you're gonna ask, what's the difference between a Cricut Maker and a Cricut Explorer 2? Well, I've had the Explorer 2. I've had it for a year and a half now. I absolutely love it and I will still continue using it. The only thing is the Cricut Maker can cut a lot more things. There's more to it than just what the Explorer does. The Explorer, you're pretty much good for cutting vinyl. It's good for like you can use special kind of markers to do stuff, and mostly it's just the best for cutting vinyl. This one can actually cut plexiglass if you want it to. It can also cut really thin wood, and it can do so much more. From what I've seen in people in groups, if you guys want to be a serious crafter, maybe starting a business, you want to definitely have the Maker. But the thing is, I was wondering, I'm like, should I get it? Should I not? But I've actually, like, around Christmas time, I wanted to get it, and I saw a really good deal for it, and I'm just like, oh, I really wanted to get it. And then I'm like, no, that's okay. I'll just wait for another deal. So the other day, now if you guys are interested in this, make sure you keep track of this. But the other day, there was a huge Cricut sale. Michaels, Joann Fabrics, Amazon, Target, and the Cricut website all had the Cricut Maker for $299. That's $300 for this machine. The Explorer 2 is usually about $200. So it's $100 more to get the Cricut Maker. But what I ended up doing is I went to every single website to see what website would be the cheapest. And then I also found out like what website I could get some extras in it. So this is what I got for extras. And then I also found out like what website I could get cash back. Well, I bought mine from the Cricut website. I actually ended up getting 5% cash back with top cash back. So if you guys do any online shopping, I do have the links below, but there's top cash back, Rakuten, and Be Frugal. I go to every single one of those websites anytime I make any online purchase because I get money from buying stuff. So anyways, they had this for $299. And then for $40 more, you would have gotten this little kit. Well, what I ended up doing is I found out if you have their Cricut Access thing, which is $10 a month, if you are joined with that, you actually get 10% off your order. So I'm like, sweet, we'll do that. And then I'm like, I actually have Honey. I have Honey. You guys can join Honey. I use Honey every once in a while. But Honey actually saved me another 10% off. So I actually got 20% off buying this for $299, this for $40, and then I also bought 1 month of the Cricut Access. I ended up paying $227 for this, and then the Cricut Access. So I saved myself some money. But a lot of you guys don't want to hear the story. You just want to hear me open this. So what I'm going to do is share with you guys the machine and kind of just unbox everything for you, and then we'll go through the thing that I got. But I'm so excited, so let's get unboxing. But I just wanted to tell you a story on how to save some money for your own machine. Okay, you guys, so here is the Cricut Maker. Now they had it in 4 different colors, or 5 different colors. They had lilac, they had champagne, which was a rose pink color, they had blue, mint, and then there was something else. I really wanted the lilac, but it was sold out as I was getting it. The mint one was sold out. So I ended up getting the champagne, which actually looks like it's a pink thing. But here it is. And then here on the box, it actually says that tools that you do get in the box, but they do have some tools that you do need to get. So here included in the box, they have the premium fine point blade. This is what they'll have in both Cricut machines for that. And then you also get the fine point pen. But here you get a rotary blade. So this is a special blade that you do need to get have for the machine. This will help you cut a lot of other things. It says that also need to purchase is where you can get a fabric pen and a calligraphy pen. It also says there is a double scoring wheel, a scoring wheel, and a knife blade. So these are stuff that you do need to purchase. Some of these knives are like 50 bucks, but I usually wait and see what I can find a deal for. I always keep stuff out. There is some knockoff stuff that you can get, but if it does break your machine, it ruins your warranty. So let's just dig in and see it. I think this box is actually bigger from what I remember. It's bigger than my other Cricut box. So I just got to untape this. So let's get it open. Okay, so in the box, we got a box right here that says, let's get started. It says, go to the Cricut setup. So you guys are going to actually set up your machine on the website, and that's how you do it. It'll tell you more information. when you do get that set up. But here it says materials for your first project. So if you guys are completely new to the Cricut, they'll have you like do something where you actually do a little project. I don't know what this is, but this is just something that it'll tell me what to make. Open me first. Usually this is unleash this beauty, get connected, make a little something, and bookmark this. So this just kind of gives you information. For me, I already know what this is. But here is the one blade that it does come with. I do know these run between like 20 to 30, 50 bucks, but I usually wait till they go on sale. There is the instructions that has everything that you need. And that is what is in there. Hey you guys, just a quick update. I was going through my box and I actually found these in the machine itself. So this is again the light grip, and then they gave me a pink one, which is fabric grip. So if you guys are using a special kind of fabric, it came with that. And then I also forgot to mention that it does have a materials for your first project. So you guys want to open this up. For me, I think my first project was making a card. And it looks like exactly what it is. It's the same kind of stuff. So I give you some paper, and then you're going to use the marker, which I have never done the marker thing, but I will learn how to do that again because I was overwhelmed when I first did my first project. But yeah, just want to share with you guys I got even more mats, so that makes it even worth it. So keep watching. And then I also have the cord that the machine gets connected to. This looks like it's a rotary blade cap, so you actually get a cap for that blade, which is kind of nice so you don't accidentally cut yourself. And then we also got the pen, and then there's the warranty. So, and then the other blade's gonna be in the machine already. So here we got the Cricut. Okay, I'm gonna tell you guys this is twice as heavy, I feel like, as than my regular machine. So we're gonna open this up. It's in a nice little bag. And here it is. I think I ordered this a week ago. I think it took me a whole week to get it. It says I wasn't supposed to get it for another week and a half, but it got here pretty early. But here it is. So it's wrapped up in plastic, and then it comes with the cord. So we're just gonna cut it open, and then I'll open it for you guys for this. I've seen people put stuff on their machine, but this is the rose color. But as you guys can see, it's like a metallic pink. So this was my third choice, but that's okay. I still like it. My other machine's a mint color. So now you just want to lift this up. And I've seen people put stuff on here. Here you can put your tools or whatever you need. And then here is the machine itself. And then here is the blade. So this is what you guys would use to cut like vinyl. And then you just can change the blade by pulling that out. So that's what you use for that. And then this is actually something that you put that pen in. So if you guys open the pen, you would open it up. It might have you do a practice. And then you can like write greeting cards or write stuff on there, and it automatically does that. The buttons are very similar to the other machine. You got your power button. You got the in and out. So when you put your tray in, you want to put the tray in and these little guides right here. And then they'll go in and go out. You got your power button, and then in case you ever need to pause it. This is another thing for your tools to go in for that. But let me show you guys what I also got with my machine. I think I mentioned the price wrong for this. I got everything for $327. I think I said $227, but I got everything for $327. So, but let's just dig in and see what I got. Now this is actually, for what I did for my math for, I thought this was a great deal. So right away you get the tool set. This is a 5-piece set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's a 5-piece set. The tool that I use the most is not actually on here. I didn't even look at it. But you got your scissors, you got the scraper, you got kind of like a little tweezers, a little scraple thing, and then you got your little sharp blade. I like the straight one. I didn't even look at the blades, but this is still fine. These are tools that I use. And these usually run about $25, I think, is what the price for this is. $25, give or take. Now, if you think about it, the machine was $300. I got this for $40 more, but with my 10% off times 2 discount, I got this for 27 bucks basically. So right here, this pays for it right there. And then we're gonna take this off, and voila. So I actually have one of these. I've had one of these since I had my first Cricut machine maybe 10, 15 years ago I got this. My machine, it's old, but basically this is a portable trimmer. I'm not sure how much this one costs. I could look it up, but I don't have my phone with me. But this is a portable trimmer. One thing I absolutely love is this one expands. Yeah, so basically this has a little arm and then you can expand it, so then it helps you easy cut your trim. Voila, I love this thing. I'll probably be using this thing a lot. I want to say this is probably 20 bucks maybe, give or take. Not sure. Here they gave me a true control knife. I have no idea what the price is for this. I've never looked at something like this, but this is something that if I really need to cut something, I can cut it. So we got that. We got 3 things of vinyl. Now these things are not cheap. If you go to Michael's or something like that, these would be like, I want to say like $12 to $20, sometimes even higher than that. So I ended up getting Strong Bond everyday iron vinyl. So I have 3 12 by 12 sheets of vinyl. It looks like I got it in a red, a white, and a black. So this is just regular, what we call HTV, is what everybody calls it, heat transfer vinyl. That's why it's everyday iron on. When you do use different vinyls, I'm going to tell you guys straight up, I do not like the Cricut brand. I've used the Cricut brand a couple times, but from what I've used from other competitors' vinyl, I can get so much more vinyl, a whole lot cheaper. I do have a video where I got all my vinyl at and prices that you guys can look at, but Cricut is a place to go get your vinyl if you need something like ASAP, but if you guys can order it from websites, go for it. But this, I know for here, this will probably be like $12 to $15, maybe $17 at Michael's, and you can never use coupons at Michael's for Cricut items. So this is a good deal, but not individually. Now here is premium vinyl, and again I got 3 sheets, but these are 12 by 24 of the red, white, and black. Again, this is probably, you know, $12 to $20 is what they're gonna have for this. Now this is transfer tape. I never bought transfer tape at of the Cricut brand. I heard bad things about it. I've actually used Dollar Tree shelf paper. That's the clear stuff. I use that as transfer tape. Love it. Absolutely love it. I've been using it since day one. But I heard that the Cricut stuff's okay, but if you guys want to save your money, go to the Dollar Tree. Go to the Dollar Tree. So we got that. Again, that's probably like 10 bucks. And then here we have a mat, but there's actually a variety pack. You got the blue, the green, and the purple, and I'm going to share with you guys what the difference is between here. So these are the mats that you guys actually put the vinyl on, and then you'd have the machine cut it, okay? My favorite mat that I absolutely use is the green mat. The green mat is a medium sticky. So basically it has a little protector thing over here. You guys would just peel it off and then it's got a stick. This is for your standard grip. This is what I use everything for. I'm also going to make a video on how I clean my mats. But I got a good deal on some mats over the holidays, so I've been using those. But never throw your mats away. There are ways to reuse them over and over again. So the green one is the #1 one you guys always want to use. I do not have a blue one, but a blue one is for a light grip. So if you guys are going to use like pieces of paper, washi tape or something like that, anything that's really thin, basically you can use that. It's got a very little sticky to it, but I've never used this because after using the standard one several times, it's not as sticky as what it is when it's fresh. But yes. And then we have the purple one. I actually do have a purple one. This is for strong grip. So if you're doing something where you're going to do some serious cutting and you don't want it coming off, you want to do the strong grip. Like if you guys are doing like a fabric, you want to do a strong grip, depending on the fabric, and you can see that it's a lot more stickier. So these, I think right here, if you bought this is probably maybe, I want to say it's like 30 bucks. Usually each mat's like $10, maybe 25. So that is what everything I got inside this box, you guys. So again, I got my whole Cricut maker, everything for $327. And then my thing's falling down. $327, and then I also paid the $10 to get the all access on my Cricut thing. I'll do a review on that very soon on if it's worth it or not. I did use it for a couple months and then I canceled it, but I restarted it. But I will go through that with you. But I just wanted to share with you guys everything that came with my Cricut machine. So if you guys are looking at getting something like this, not always just check out the bundle, but check out the accessories that you could get it. I know Joann Fabrics actually offers, for a while, I actually was going to get it, and I'm happy happy I didn't. But for Joann Fabrics, they actually had a deal for $450. I was going to get a bunch of stuff. And I'm so happy I did it because this actually came out with pretty much the same exact stuff for a whole lot cheaper. Amazon does have some other stuff that comes with it. I don't know. I don't sometimes trust Amazon on certain things just because, I don't know, I've heard stories. But anyways, I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Let me know if you have any comments, questions, or concerns. But I'm here to help you guys save some money and make some craft items for your friends, family, and even if you want to start a small business. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. See you later. Bye-bye.